In this lesson, we will take a look at how we can freeze layers and thaw them to bring them back. Freezing and thawing layers is very similar to turning them on and off with a couple of exceptions. To freeze a layer, we simply select the drop-down list on the layer control and select the sun icon for that particular layer. So as you can see, the icon is a sun if it is thawed out, and if I click on it, it is now a frozen layer and is represented by a snowflake. Notice that my fence is gone now. If a layer is frozen, objects on that layer cannot be selected graphically. They're invisible on screen and they also will not print. To thaw a layer out, I simply select the drop-down and click the snowflake symbol, and the items on that layer are back. Notice that property line is my current layer. I wish to freeze this layer. I select the drop-down list and select the sun next to property line. AutoCAD displays a message that I cannot freeze this layer because it is the current layer. This is one of the main differences between on and off and freeze and thaw. I will close the dialog box. If I really want to freeze the property line layer, I just simply need to make another layer current. I'll start by setting the 0 layer current, and now I can select the drop-down and freeze the property line layer. To recap, in order to hide things from your drawing screen, you can freeze them, and to bring them back, you can thaw them. That concludes this look at freezing and thawing layers in AutoCAD.